everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. I'm back with another CarX Street game tutorial, and in this video we are going to be learning how to reduce lag for smoother gameplay in CarX Street. If your game feels slow, choppy or stutters during races, don't worry, you can fix lag with just a few simple tweaks. First of all, launch open your CarX Street game on your device. Once you're inside the home page or the lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button, and then this will open up. There's several menus on the screen where you need to go tap on Graphics at the top. Under Graphics, choose the graphic quality option and then keep the graphic quality to low or medium. Keep it to 0 or 1, and then under resolution, lower that as well and keep it to 1. Or you can also keep it to 2, just try it out with 1 first, and then go to shadow quality, make sure that it is turned off or it is selected to low. Right next to motion blur, make sure you have selected off, and underneath anti-aliasing, go ahead and select off as well. Once you have these buttons turned off and all of these buttons adjusted, this will boost your performance in the game. Now, once you are done with this, you can get back to the lobby screen and then try moving around your home screen or the lobby screen, and you'll notice a difference immediately. Before playing CarX Street, make sure to close any other application in the background, clear your recent application, and stop downloads or updates for the time being. After you do that, you will be able to make your CarX Street application run smoother. If it still lags, then you can also try restarting your device. A simple restart can fix stutters, slow performance, and memory overload. So that way you will be able to reduce lag for smoother gameplay in CarX Street. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.